Hey there, quick review on this Black & Decker 3-piece rolling toolbox. Really nice kit. On the back, you'll see here, you've got a pull handle that can go down and then simple push button and it will extend all the way up. Being able to drop this down is handy. For one reason would be that if you want to open the center box, you can tilt the whole thing back and get access to that by dropping the handle down. Now this box unit is made up of 3 boxes. Up top here, we've got our small toolbox. Here in the middle, we've got our large toolbox. And then this is what they call the rolling tote, which is an open tote, which has the wheels and handle built into it. Everything stows together really nicely. When you want to put it back together, simply set it in place, push it down, and you'll hear that click that it's locked into place. Same thing up here again, set it in place, push it down, it clicks in place really well. The mechanism for attaching and detaching the boxes is very easy to use. You're simply gonna push it down here and it latches on really nicely and locks everything in place very well. So it's a nice function and action there. The latches also good quality, they hold well, exactly what I would expect. If you open up the boxes, the top box is going to be just open. There are no dividers or trays or anything in the small toolbox. Looking at the middle box, which is the large toolbox, opening that up, it's nice and deep, and you do get one tray with that can go on either side. Looking at the size here, we're at about 18 inches by a little over 10 inches, about 10.5 inches or so. Top box depth, 4 inches. Large box, 8 inches. And then our rolling tote is about 14 inches. So is this a good value? I think the quality is excellent. It works really well. You can spend more money on other brands just on one single toolbox. So I think this is a great value considering the price to get a whole stack of boxes like this. I'm going to be using this for a toolkit myself where I just don't need to spend a fortune on the most expensive boxes on the market. These work great. They work just fine. So I'd recommend it if you're looking for a good rolling kit like this. This is going to work really well.